So over here, you can see that I have a photo right here. And right now, no effects has been applied onto this particular photo. But if you want to change around how the photo looks, then you can utilize something called photo filters. So to access that, once you click on the photo, you can click on edit image on the top left hand side. And over here, you can see that there's different filters that you can choose from. For example, you can go around and select whimsical, and there you go. The whimsical photo filter has been added in. You can go around and select street right here, so you get more like a black and white outlook, as you can see right here with less colors. You can go for total grayscale as well, rosy effect, you can go for blues and selfie and so forth, as you can see just like this. Let's just say I want to go for summer. You can also control the amount of intensity for the applied filter by going around onto the filter intensity section. You can increase the filter intensity right here or decrease it out right here, and that changes around the amount of color on the photo, as you can see just like this as well. So you can go around and change it for all of the filters that you apply. For example, if I were to go for drama, you can really increase it out or decrease it out right here. You can go for epic and increase out the filter intensity or decrease it out right here. And that is how you can go around and then utilize photo filters inside of VistaCreate. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.